You know, it's a flood of relief that is washing over the city of Austin as community leaders celebrate a milestone that's been a long time coming. John Detcott takes us to the symbolic ceremony celebrating a much brighter and drier future.
In 2013, flooding cost southern Minnesota millions of dollars, with total damage estimates from those storms topping $17 million. Which is why in February of this year, Austin began construction on a flood wall project along North Main Street, raising the street by 2 feet. It took roughly 9 months to complete, but on Friday, city officials cut the ribbon, officially reopening the roadway.
It just changes the whole face of North Main down here. Not only the protection that it's going to give the businesses and the people living down here, but just as a spot for people to gather.
The project's total cost is somewhere around $14.5 million, but city leaders said with the devastation flooding has caused in the past, it's well worth the cost.
There was millions and millions of dollars in damage to commercial businesses on North Main. So this flood control project will help to prevent those dollars of damages.
But project leaders say the wall will help prevent more than just flood damage.
Shutdown times, cleanup time, everything that's involved with the flood. It's not just the one day that it happens, but it's the weeks afterwards.
Crews were still working Friday on some of the more cosmetic aspects of the project, but with the real construction complete, city officials said they'll look to build on the project moving forward.
In a way, it's great to have it done, but in a lot of ways, it's just the beginning, too, of what's going on down here.
One of the improvements they're already considering is adding plaques of famous Austin residents to the columns of the flood wall as well as around Mill Pond. Landscaping around the flood wall has already started, but given the cold weather, much of the planting will have to wait until this spring. Reporting in studio, John Detcott, ABC 6 News.